Abhishek Bachchan is opposite you, and you guys have worked together in Delhi 6. You've been saying him that saying that he's your favorite co-star as well.
Yeah. Before I started this film, also, he's my favorite co-star. No, he is. He is amazing. I love working with Abhishek. We have a great rapport, and we've done like 2 major films of our careers together, which is Delhi 6 and now Players. And we've been opposite each, like I'm opposite him in Players and I was opposite him in Delhi 6. And he's just so comfortable working with someone who doesn't have any drama. There's no drama. He's on set, he's friends with everybody. He has no issues with anybody on set. He treats...
And a great sense of humor.
A great sense of humor. Everybody's always in a good mood when he's around. There's no like tantrum or no sitting in the van and be like, I'm the hero of the film and I'll only come out when I have to come out type thing.
Right.
You know what I mean? He's
I think on the sets and all, we've heard many stories that the way he's very, very jovial on the sets. In fact, one of the guys used to carry him in his arms. I don't know, that's what we read on one of the sets, in fact.
तुम अमेरिकन से लगता है कि हर चीज तुम्हारी है? अरे कहीं भी घुस जाते हो किसी के भी देश में बेशर्मी की भी हद होती है।
इतनी बड़ी बात तो नहीं हुई। Come on.
हमारे यहाँ होती है, हमें लिमिट में रहना आता है। बर्गर छाप के
Now he's going to become a father very soon. Was he worried? Was he?
No, you know how he is. He's just very he loves life and he loves his family and stuff like that. So for him it's just happiness. I think he's just really happy and what we speak about everything except for our families when we're on set, because everybody else is always asking him about his family or someone's asking me about my family.
Definitely.
So we talk about everything else, and I think it's amazing, you know.
You're portraying Charlize Theron's character. Now, did you see the film and did you try to just imbibe certain
because his character is completely the opposite of the character Charlize Theron got. She was a safe breaker. No, this girl is Naina is a computer hacker. So it's the complete opposite. And Charlize Theron's character was a little more subdued, and this girl is like one Nena Briganza. She's one like Mac from Goa who's crazy.
Even this Italian Job, it's a remake of one more Italian Job.
The older Italian Job.
Okay, so it's like quite a remake.
It's actually Abbas Mastan bought the rights for the older Italian Job, which was Mark Wahlberg had bought for the new Italian Job. So basically
it's more inspired by the 1960s.
1960s, because that's the film that they wanted to make more than the new one. You know what I mean? For them, that is the inspiration.
We were talking to Abbas Mastan. He was saying that मैंने कहा कि आप इतने सीधे साधे शरीफ से लगते हैं, आप लोग अपनी एक्ट्रेसेस को इतने ग्लैमरस तरीके से कैसे प्रेजेंट करते हैं? Even he said that even Bipasha and Sonam keeps on asking me the same question. Keeps on asking us the same question. कैसा लगता है आपको that he is they are very unassuming kind of guys, but their actresses are presented so glamorously.
And not only that, the actresses such strong characters. Like when I read, I mean when I was reading Players, I was just like, this girl seriously kicks some ass. There's such a backstory. There's so much going on in her life, and there's so much. It's like her revenge story. You know what I mean? So I'm just like, it takes guts. They show them as really strong today's women, which is I think more important than anything else. And I think each character has so many shades and layers to them, which I think is fabulous.
I was just overhearing while you were giving another interview that you shared a vanity van with Bipasha and all that stuff. बहुत अच्छी stories हैं. You know, but tell me honestly, you know, she's wearing a bikini in the film, and that will definitely be the centerpiece of the film in many ways. Did you at any point of time feel that pang of jealousy? Ki, yaar,
no, I tell her please wear shorter clothes because I think it'd be best to opening milegi aur achhi yaar. For me, that's what matters.
Okay, but didn't you feel that?
No, but if I wanted to, then I would wear a bikini. You know what I mean? But that's her character, and my character is different. You know what I mean? So, and she has the body to carry it off. I certainly do not have a body to wear it. So if she has a body, let her wear it. You know what I mean?
Sure. I believe you're dancing in a high heels or something.
Yeah. Oh my God. See, there are 5 songs in the film, and there are 2 songs in which I'm wearing heels and I'm dancing. And I've never actually, if you see any of my films, I've never done song and dance routine in any of my films. Just think of which one.
मौसम में नहीं था that waltz
Ballet
and all
किया
that?
था, waltz किया था, but not like a filmy song. Suddenly I'm
अच्छा,
like
like that.
slow classical dance I'm doing, which is not even a song. It's like 2 seconds or 30 seconds of the film I'm doing something. But this is like proper song and dance. I've never like done lip sync.
अच्छा, I think in hindsight you haven't, in fact.
I haven't. Now that you think, I've done every film is like one new agey kind of film where there's nothing like that. You know what I mean? So now when I'm doing this song and there's my sister's given me these like ridiculous heels and I have to hold a pole and I'm dancing like that.
Sure.
By the end of it, my legs were killing me because I have never danced in such high heels in my life. And I'm like, how do these heroines do it? No wonder
But you're anyway so tall and but you have Abhishek Bachchan. he's tall
Abhishek,
guy.
I mean, he's the
a tall
one
guy.
person I can wear however high heels I want to.
Right, that's an advantage, in fact.
Yeah, all of them are tall, yeah. That's why I was telling Abbas Mastan sir, I said, you know, you've taken the 3 tallest people in the industry, Abhishek, me and Sikandar, and put them in the 3 smallest cars that you could find, which is the Mini.
Tell us something about Bhag Milkha Bhag. That is a prestigious project.
Yes,
Farhan
yes,
Akhtar is
yeah.
acting opposite you,
Yeah.
and Rakesh Mehra,
Yeah.
your favorite director.
Yeah.
You've spoken many times,
Yeah.
almost all the interviews.
Yeah.
So how did you back that particular film?
Yeah, I don't know if I bagged it. I don't think, I just feel like Rakesh and me have a great working relationship, and like I said, if he wants me to walk across the frame, I'll do it for him. You know what I
You've
mean?
said that. You've said
Yeah.
that.
So then this is that what it is. I mean, I don't even need to be asked. I just do the film.
Once again, you're playing a bit of a D-glam kind of role once again.
Players.
अच्छा, अभी उसके बारे में कुछ नहीं. Were you
long
looking forward
way.
to it?
I'm
When are
looking
you
forward.
starting shooting for that?
March.
March 2012.
Yeah.
You off with a smile, any culture like a congregation. Identity dogmatism, the image is always a style. Struck the ego, force beating, misleading.
What are the sort of hi-fi and fast-paced movies that you've really liked over the years? Action thrillers and all that you've liked over the years.
I think a lot of Mission Impossible films. I've really loved those. I've liked Gone in 60 Seconds. It's a car chase. I've liked Salt. I've liked Wanted. Have you seen Wanted? Not.
Obviously, yeah.
Yeah, I'm talking about the international action. This is an action film. Dabangg.
Okay.
I think it's a great action film. All of my dad's action films, Tezab and all of them, crazy. Like,
Right.
do you remember him like jumping and doing it?
Tezab, obviously. I remember the craze at that point of time.
And you know, they had to do their own stunts, you know that, no? At that time, they
Obviously.
It is not like the technology that we have today where everything is so safe and so amazing.
अभी नचाता हूँ मैं तेरे को डांडिया.
In fact, the song in Tezab, So Gaya.
हाँ, सो गया,
Fabulous
ये
song.
जा.
Fabulous song, in fact.
सो गया ये जहां सो गया आसमां सो गई है सारी मंजिलें ओ सारी मंजिलें सो गया है रास्ता.
That was Sonam Kapoor talking about her next film, Players, and as you can see that she's totally in the groove of the film, looking stunning. And thank you very much for being on
you.
Bollywood Hungama.
Thank you
Lovely
so
to have
much.
you, and all the best wishes.
Thank you.
For Players and Bhag Milkha Bhag. She's not spoken about it at all. I'm very curious about that particular film. So all the best wishes.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.